Last week, we got an early peek at Samsung's new Android flip phone thanks to some images shared by China's version of the FCC. Now the phone has been made official in all its clamshell glory. As expected, the Samsung SM-W2016 is an Android 5.1 flip phone with a premium metal and glass construction that's reminiscent of the Galaxy S6. The SM-W2016 has a pair of 3.9-inch 1280x768 Super AMOLED screens, one outside and one inside, as well as 16-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras. Powering this flip phone is an octa-core Exynos 7420 processor with 3 GB of RAM, and there is also 64 GB of storage and a 2000 mAh battery. That battery can be juiced up using wireless charging or fast charging, which are two features that you probably don't really associate with flip phones. An Android flip phone might sound kind of strange, but Samsung has actually released a few of them over the years. They typically don't make it outside of China and some other Asian countries, though, and that'll probably be the case with this SM-W2016, too. That's kind of a bummer because the SM-W2016 actually looks like a nice device with a solid spec list and nice design. Now that it's official, what do you think of the SM-W2016? Would you carry it as your daily driver?